Hey everybody, how you doing? At this point, you probably finished up most of the shapes that we assigned on DraftSite. We're going to take a step away from DraftSite for today. You're going to see on the classroom that a new assignment has been posted, and this is the assignment. So, we're going to kind of keep working on DraftSite to kind of build your fluency and help you be a little bit better. And eventually, what you're going to do is you're going to design your own logo and creative name. And part of that is understanding what geometric shapes are and incorporating different types of text to do that. It's not something we're going to do today. The activity for today is to open up your copy of this assignment. Obviously, fill in your name. There's a few different connections that you might want to read through. I guess I'm wishfully thinking you're going to read through all this, but eventually, what we're going to be doing with DraftSite, you're going to create a logo, and you're going to have to include at least two geometric shapes, text, multicolor or gradient, and a product name. If I scroll down here, what I'm going to ask all of you to do today, this is the assignment for today, and I'll be checking through the classroom to see your progression. You've got you have 6 different keywords that all connect to design, engineering design, graphic design, and what products are, things like that. So what I'm going to ask you to do is identify each one of these keywords. And yeah, you can use Google to do that. What I'm going to ask you not to do, I'm going to ask you not to copy and paste the definitions that you find. And if you find that a definition is fairly wordy and lengthy, paraphrase it. And we're going to go through these together when I'm back. And if they're too lengthy and too wordy, I'm going to ask you to paraphrase it and actually, edit that definition. So some of them are going to be very easy. Some of them you already know. Obviously, aesthetics is a keyword we've had in other, in other units. Now, the next challenge I'm going to ask you to do is I'd like to tell me in each blue space here what these products are, what company it is. I think all of you are fairly aware of either who, what, or where these symbols belong. If you need the internet to help you, that's great. But that's the activity today. So you'll see this as a new assignment, and it will be accompanied by this video. Take the time to go through it. If you're going to copy and paste, try not to copy and paste. Try to type the definition so the font size and text is consistent. And we'll work together to go through these when I'm back. Okay. Moving forward, you're going to notice that these shapes look fairly similar to the shapes we're seeing on DraftSite, and this is where we're going to move on to next. Instead of tracing symbols, we're actually going to teach you how to use DraftSite to draw and use certain tools to mimic things to help in your design process. Good luck. If you have any questions, please email me or comment on the classroom.